Okay, so I just submitted my PR. I'm really excited. I'm waiting to see, is it going to be merged? Is it not going to be merged? Um, However, you can see that I am 6 commits behind the master of the main repository. And so I might want to keep myself up to date. Maybe I'm using this locally. Maybe the fix that I pushed is so critical to my workflow that I actually have to use it in my production application. So you can actually require your fork instead of the main branch, and we'll talk about that in another video. But right now, quick video: how do I make sure that I get caught up to master and get these 6 commits? It's actually pretty simple. So let's go ahead and go back to our terminal here, and I'm going to run a command called git remote, not remove, remote dash v. And so this is showing that I'm just connected to my own repository. I don't have an upstream repository that I should be connected to, which in this case, my upstream repository should be the Livewire repository. So let's go ahead and add that. So I'm just going to do a git remote add upstream, and I need to go to Livewire. And let's just get this. All right, I'm going back to my terminal and this. Okay, so now let's run that command again to check. And sure enough, now I have an upstream version of Livewire that's connected to the actual original Livewire. So now, in order to fast forward and get all the new code from master, I just need to do a git fetch upstream. All right, so we got the commits that have been submitted since I did my PR, and we just want to do a, not git, git merge upstream slash master. This is going to do that, so I just want to submit this. All right, so there's my commit, and I want to do a git push. Okay, so that should have done it. And let's go back to the browser and check. Now this is Livewire. If I refresh my commit, so now you can see I am 2 commits ahead of master, that's my PR, and then the commit I just pushed where I was getting caught up. But now I'm even with master outside of my own custom changes. So this way I can keep myself up to date. If you're going to be contributing to the same repository over and over again, this is something you're going to want to do. You're not going to want to delete your local, delete your branch, go back and fork it again. This is a really nice way. If there's a project that you want to contribute to over and over again, this will help keep you up to date.